Now this should be a quick one. We got a Cookie Monster here, and he triggers with the button in his mouth. There's a cookie on one side. When he decides he's had enough cookies, it starts to vibrate as he goes into a diabetic coma. Got a standard battery pack on the back. Sorry, Cookie. Getting into some interesting twisted positions. Busting them open to see. That's what we got. He loves cookies. Standard zip tie around the neck. What do you think of that, Cookie? So ultimately, that's all he is. One membrane with a vibrating unit on the inside. So yeah, you also get the button in the center. Do not mix batteries, eh? At least it mix them with good ones. And that's what it is on the inside. Interesting. I love how simple it is. Is that a belt? Yeah, it's a belt. So that's gonna perish one day, but I just love taking these things apart. See what makes them tick. A rotating nut. Oh, makes perfect sense. Makes perfect sense. One Cookie Monster down. The second-hand store doesn't care. Trust me, they get enough stuffed guys. Where's your eyes go, Cookie? Anyways, that's it for me. From NASDAQ, but have a good one, folks.